today's Wednesday, November 30th. Welcome to Storytime Adventures. I'm Miss Tori, and if you're watching and you couldn't make it to Storytime today, please come by and ask for the weekly Storytime packet, and then you're going to get all this fun stuff that we do here at Storytime. So today is November the 30th, and we have an activity here. It says, ask your child to tell a story about what she wants to be when she grows up. That is a really fun activity. I know when I wanted to grow up, I wanted to be a teacher because I liked school and I liked books, and that's what I wanted to be. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a doctor, or maybe a pet doctor that works with animals? There's all kinds of things you can be, and you can be anything that you want to be. Okay, this is our last day on number 2, and this is your worksheet for today. You're going to get this in your packet. So there's all kind of things on here that we can count. You can get your crayons out and you can color the number 2 and you can trace it. And we've got 2 fish, 2 scoops of ice cream. We've got 2 pieces of candy, 2 pieces of bubble gum. So make sure you're going around and counting all those 2s, okay? All right, so we're gonna get ready to sing. Get your shakies out. We're gonna wiggle and dance, and I'm gonna be right back with a really fun story. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hi everyone, our story today is The Nuts Keep Rolling. This is a funny story, and I know you guys are going to really like it. It's by Eric Litwin, and it's illustrated by Scott Magoon. Hazel and Wally were really small. They wanted to be big and tall. So they rolled through sticky mud and goo. The more they rolled, the bigger they grew. And they sang this song. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of cats. Hazel and Wally were smiling until a pack of dogs came over the hill. Oh no, what can they do? Keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of big dogs. Hazel and Wally were giggling until the dog catcher came over the hill. Oh no, what can they do? Keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Now they were the size of elephants. Hazel and Wally were laughing until the zookeeper came over the hill. Oh no, what can they do? Keep rolling. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh no, it started to rain. The sky turned gray. The mud and the goo were all washed away, and they became smaller and smaller and smaller. Now they were little and out there alone, but Hazel and Wally knew how to get home. What can they do? Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Oh yeah, they rolled to their house. It was cozy and bright. Mama and Papa Nut hugged them so tight. And that family was happy even though they were small, because when you have each other, then you have it all. The end. Welcome back, everybody. Did you like that story, The Nuts Keep Rolling? That is such a fun story. We like reading that here at Storytime. So instead of a craft today, we're actually going to do an activity. We're going to do a game. And we play this here at Storytime a lot, and it's really fun. And we're gonna call this roly-boly, rollin' bowling, okay? So what we have, and you can make these at home. It's really easy to do. I got these little foam balls here. I got them in the craft section at the store, at Walmart. And we've got empty water bottles here that we painted red. And we have several of them here at the library. And what we do is we set up kind of like the bowling pins, you know, that you ever been bowling downtown? That's fun to do. So what we do is we set our bottles up here, and we stand back. And we usually do this on the floor, but I'm gonna do this on the table here to show you. And we get balls and we just roll them just like that. And look, Miss Tori totally missed, but we have so much fun with that. And all you need is one of those little foam balls and these little, they were little water bottles, and you can paint them. You can paint them whatever color you like and set them up and roll the ball and see how many you can knock down.